just give you a glimpse of what TCS is and what we do in retail. And any case, there are further discussions, we can take it offline as well. Any specific questions, maybe with the permission of the organizers, we can take it here. So, since morning, a lot of our friends have been both from the industry as well as I would use the word partner organizations have been talking about how digital has been changing retail and how brick and mortar companies along with digital organizations will whether coexist or one will take over the other, etc., etc. As TCS, I would like to just say that we have been at the forefront of digital reimagination for all our customers across the businesses, including retail customers, both on the customer experience side as well as improving the efficiencies internally, right across supply chains through IoTs and things like that, and to the back offices. Today, TCS is a $16.5 billion company. We are present in 24 countries. We have delivery centers in 24 countries, 1,400 clients. We employ about 350,000 people. We're rated #1 IT services brand by Brand Finance, ahead of a number of our peers. And we are also rated #1 across 4 continents and 24 countries as the #1 employer. As I was mentioning, our digital revenues are about $2.3 billion in that $16.5 billion. Our retail business is $2.3 billion across consulting, IT services, and business process services, with only 140 plus customers. This also shows that we are a very customer-centric or customer-focused partner. So each of our relationships is deep, wide, and as you will see in the next slide, some of our customers, a snapshot, across grocery, general merchandise, specialty, fashion, pharmacy. Some of the customers in this market we work with is Landmark Group, BMA, Fucom, Giant, and Al-Futem. So as I was saying, when we work with a few select customers and we work deep and wide, we work across the value chain, what we call a full services play, across IT, across consulting in, say, for example, areas like supply chain or merchandising, IT services, infrastructure services, business process services. We have built assets and products which help us deliver these services. And in terms of some of the solutions for the in a digital journey, we have what we call a store IoT, which is a connected store command center, a beacon-enabled in-store digital journey, which is iBeacon, Omni Store, which is a universal store commerce platform, Optimera, which is advanced big data-based assortment and space management solution, and Perivista Shopper, which is a customer knowledge hub on big data for. So I will leave you with a video which talks about today's global retail reality, how the world is changing. You've had a lot of such snippets this morning. This is one another view. And each of these areas in which this change is happening, TCS is working with its customers to help them succeed in those areas.